Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Instagram invite collaborator button not showing up. So the first solution, we need to press the three bars on the upper right. After that, press settings and then press privacy. After that, make sure that your account is public. So just press private account and press switch to public account, and it'll take a while and then it switch to a public account, and after that you should be able to invite collaborators. But if it still doesn't work, then there's another solution. So exit out of Instagram and press the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. So just like search Instagram, and you have to make sure that your Instagram doesn't need an update. So it's if it says update instead of open, then just press that and it'll update. But if it still doesn't work, then there's another solution. So press the three bars on the upper right and press settings. After that, press help and press report a problem, and turn off shake phone to report problem and press report problem. And you just need to type a paragraph that says something with the meaning of like, hello Instagram support team, I can't use the invite collaborator feature, can you please help me and reach out to me whenever you can. So just type whatever you want out, and that should send it to the Instagram support team, and you should be able to fix your issue. So that's basically it. All you have to do is just press next when you're finished with typing your paragraph. So I'm just going to press next and then press send report. And that should send your report to the Instagram support team. So that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.